everybody. I'm here today to show you and tell you how to increase your singing lung capacity easily. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'll be going over 5 things that you can do to increase the lung capacity that you have while singing. Now, who am I to tell you this, right? I'm not a fantastic singer, but I do have a fantastic lung capacity. I'll just do an example right now. I'm gonna sing in a low tone, in a low pitch, and I'm gonna hold that note for a while, just like this. And I'll sing really loudly as well, so I'm using a lot of oxygen. Let's get into this example. Okay, anyways, I can hold that for a lot longer, but you have to understand, first of all, I want to keep you engaged in the video, and second of all, I'm singing really loudly in a car, so it actually hurts my ears because my voice is so loud, okay? So you want to have great lung capacity as a singer, this is the video for you. Okay, number 1, do cardio exercise daily. You gotta do cardio every day if you can. Try and do at least 30 minutes of cardio. It doesn't need to be intense cardio, but when you do cardio, your blood is pumping, your heart is pumping faster and harder. Therefore, you're getting more oxygen throughout your body. Therefore, your oxygen capacity, your lung capacity will increase. Number 2, do some deep breath work. That came out wrong. I said do some deep breath work. But yes, you do need to do some deep breath work, okay? But what I meant to say was do some deep breath work. It can be anything, but essentially, as long as you're breathing in deeply and breathing out nicely, definitely it will help you. So just here's one quick exercise you can do. Breathe in quickly, hold your breath, and then breathe out quickly, like that. Okay, that is great deep breath work, and you can hold your breath for longer while doing that as well. The third thing that you can do is essentially hold your breath for as long as you can and write down the duration. And just don't, I'm not talking about while swimming or anything. I'm just talking about like holding your breath. What I did and what I still do often is after the shower, that's how I meditate. I'll take like, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes and I'll hold my breath for as long as I can, as many times as I can within those 3 or 4 minutes. And I will tell you, you know, when I started, I was holding my breath for like a very short amount of time. I want to say it was like somewhere in the area of like 25 seconds. By the end of it, it was like unbelievable how long it was. I have the numbers written down in my notebook at home, in my journal at home. But yeah, hold your breath. See how long you can hold it for, write down the duration, and you'll see it grow. You'll see that number get bigger and bigger because you'll be able to hold your breath for longer and longer, which will therefore help you with regards to, it'll help you with regards to increasing your singing lung capacity because your lungs will be stronger, will be able to hold more air, and so forth. I apologize, I'm just trying to put my bracelet back on so it doesn't slide around on my wrist and distract me, but it already is. All right, the 4th thing that you can do is warm up before singing. One of the worst things you can do is just start singing. Sure, you can sing if you just start singing, but you gotta warm up your voice, okay? And that will also increase your lung capacity as well. So do some vocal runs. Vocal runs are essentially when you go from low to high notes and then back down. So like this, like something like that, okay? But you can have a tuner and get certain notes. That was just me doing a quick example, okay? And the last thing that you can do after you've warmed up is number 5, which is to sit upright or stand up straight, okay? Watch this. I'm gonna turn my body as I sing, and you'll hear how my voice amplifies better and more as I turn. I'm gonna start like this and turn. Listen to the voice. I won't change the way I'm singing. It goes lower when I turn because I have less lung capacity. Get your body nice and straight, square those shoulders, stand up straight or sit up straight. Definitely do those things and you will get maximum singing lung capacity. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos. I'm sorry, I just hit my head on this. And I'm laughing because it's just so ridiculous how I'm doing that outro. I don't feel true to myself. I feel like I'm being a little bit of a clown doing that. So I'm gonna do my regular outro, which is still clown-like, but more of a passionate instead of like a joking thing. So let's do that again. Honestly, I really hope you've enjoyed the video, and I hope you've enjoyed my my decent singing. I'll call it decent because I do think I have a decent voice. But that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.